They're built for pursuit, engineered for speed, and designed to catch criminals who think they can outrun the law. Throughout history, police departments across America have armed themselves with some of the most powerful machines on four wheels. But which ones stand above the rest? The answer might surprise you. Today, we're counting down the 10 fastest police cruisers ever to wear a badge. These aren't just cars, they're weapons in the war against crime. When criminals floor it, these are the machines that make them regret that decision. Every vehicle on this list was specifically engineered to do one thing: catch the bad guys. Let's start the countdown. Number 10, 1959 Dodge Coronet. Long before the era of radar guns and helicopter support, the California Highway Patrol needed something that could keep up with the increasingly powerful civilian cars hitting American roads. Their answer? The 1959 Dodge Coronet. With a recorded top speed of 122 miles per hour, this early pursuit vehicle set the standard for what would become a decades-long battle between cops and speeders. The Coronet wasn't just fast for its time, it was a message to anyone thinking of outrunning the law. Those chrome-heavy tail-fin cruisers might look dated now, but in their day, they struck fear into the hearts of would-be speeders across California's expanding freeway system. Number 9, 1978 Dodge Monaco. The 1970s brought an unexpected challenge to law enforcement vehicles: emissions regulations. As the muscle car era gave way to the smog era, police departments watched helplessly as their pursuit vehicles lost power. But Dodge refused to surrender completely. The 1978 Monaco, even with its choked-down 440 big block, still managed to hit 126 miles per hour. Impressive for an era when most cars struggled to break 110. This was the fastest police car of the smog era, proving that even with one hand tied behind its back, Dodge could still build a machine that commanded respect on the highway. Number 8, 1949 Oldsmobile Rocket 88. Sometimes being the fastest isn't about absolute speed, it's about having an edge. In post-war America, the 1949 Oldsmobile Rocket 88 gave police exactly that edge. With its revolutionary overhead valve V8 producing 135 horsepower, this pioneering police car could hit 97 miles per hour, a full 14 miles per hour faster than the average Plymouth of the day. For the first time, law enforcement had a significant speed advantage over civilian vehicles. The Rocket 88 earned its name, changing the game for police departments and establishing the foundation for the high-performance police vehicles that would follow. Number 7, Tesla Model Y Police Package. The future has arrived in police fleets across America. The Tesla Model Y Performance, when equipped with the Unplugged Performance Pursuit Package, represents a fundamental shift in police vehicle technology. With a manufacturer-stated top speed of 155 miles per hour and the ability to hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, this electric cruiser is redefining what pursuit vehicles can be. Several police departments have already added these silent hunters to their fleets. No engine noise to alert suspects, no gasoline to burn, just instant torque and sustained high-speed capability that's changing the pursuit game forever. The Model Y proves that the future of police pursuit might not have an engine at all. If you're enjoying this countdown of law enforcement's fastest machines, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our automotive content. Number 6, Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. No police car in the history has been more recognizable than the legendary Crown Vic. From 1992 to 2011, this American icon dominated police fleets nationwide. While its top speed was electronically limited to between 129 and 140 miles per hour depending on the year, its impact on law enforcement was limitless. The Crown Victoria Police Interceptor wasn't just about speed, it was about dependability. Its body-on-frame construction, rear-wheel drive platform, and durable 4.6-liter V8 made it the gold standard for police work. Some departments still use these workhorses today, more than a decade after production ended. The Crown Vic wasn't just a car, it was an institution. Number 5, Ford Mustang SSP. This Ford chases Porsches for a living. That famous advertising line wasn't just clever marketing, it was a statement of fact. From 1982 to 1993, the Special Service Package Mustang gave officers something they'd never had before: a lightweight, nimble pursuit vehicle that could hit 160 miles per hour and corner like it was on rails. With its 5-liter V8 engine, the Fox Body Mustang SSP became the weapon of choice for highway patrol units across the country. Approximately 15,000 units were sold to over 60 law enforcement agencies. Even the U.S. Air Force used them as chase cars for the U-2 spy plane. The Mustang SSP wasn't just fast, it was revolutionary. Number 4, Dodge Charger Pursuit. When the Crown Victoria's reign ended, the Dodge Charger stepped up to fill the void. Since 2006, this modern muscle car has been the backbone of American police fleets. Early models with the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 could reach 152 miles per hour, making them among the fastest four-door pursuit vehicles ever built. The Charger Pursuit combined raw American muscle with the practicality police departments demanded. All-wheel drive options, ballistic door panels, and purpose-built law enforcement features made it the complete package. Although newer models are limited to 140 miles per hour, the Charger's intimidating presence alone is often enough to make speeders think twice. Number 3. Chevrolet Blazer EV PPV. The newest entry on our list represents where police pursuit vehicles are headed. The Chevrolet Blazer EV Police Pursuit Vehicle delivers a staggering 498 horsepower through its performance all-wheel drive system. While official top speed numbers haven't been released, its acceleration and handling have already impressed law enforcement agencies in testing. With an EPA estimated range of 297 miles, this electric pursuit vehicle solves one of the biggest concerns departments have had about EVs. The Blazer EV PPV proves that the future of high-speed police work will be electrifying. Literally. Number 2. Chevrolet Camaro B4C. Sometimes the most effective police cars are the ones you don't immediately recognize. The Chevrolet Camaro B4C, produced from 1991 to 2002, was the ultimate sleeper police car. With its subtle RS styling hiding Z28 performance, this purpose-built interceptor could hit 160+ miles per hour, with some reports claiming speeds exceeding 170 miles per hour. The fourth-generation models equipped with the LT1 and later LS1 V8 engines producing up to 350 horsepower were particularly feared by speeders. The B4C package reportedly still holds the record for the highest top speed of any mass-production factory police car package ever built. These Camaros weren't just fast, they were legitimately terrifying to anyone with a heavy right foot. Number 1. 1969 Dodge C-Body Monaco Police Pursuit. The fastest police car of the classic era, and arguably the most legendary pursuit vehicle ever built, was the 1969 Dodge Monaco Police Pursuit. With its highly engineered 440 big block engine, this four-door monster could hit an astonishing 149.6 miles per hour in 1969. The California Highway Patrol specifically requested these high-performance machines to patrol the state's expanding freeway system. Think about that, nearly 150 miles per hour in a full-size sedan with drum brakes and no electronic stability control. The Monaco wasn't just fast, it was fearless. More than 5 decades later, few police vehicles have matched its combination of raw speed and intimidating presence. If you found these high-speed police machines fascinating, you need to check out my video about the 10 trucks that are more reliable than they are worth. Just like these pursuit vehicles deliver performance beyond expectations, these trucks offer reliability that exceeds their price tag. Click the link on the description to discover which workhorses made the list.